deep breath in there, Pointer, and breathe out. On your left side, facing the window, please. So bring this leg like this and shuffle a bit more forward there. That's it. So relax this arm there. And hold this wrist tight. And drop there, let your hips relax. Good. And onto your other side for me, please. So relax the arm just there. And hold there for me tight. So hold that wrist tight, that's it. And drop there. Good. And then onto your back, please. Facing upwards. Okay, lift your head again. And then relax the way down. Nice and soft this side. Good. And again, drop this side. Lovely. Cool. Let's have you sitting up facing the window, the mirror.